Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you stake Cardano using the Tangem wallet? Let's find out. In the essence of time, if you have not set up the Tangem wallet yet and you need help, I will leave a video in the description below and as a pinned comment so you can have a step-by-step tutorial on how to set it up. With that being said, let's get to the video. Okay, first things first, we are on the Tangem main screen, and what we are going to do is go to Cardano and tap the Cardano icon. Once we go here, it's going to show us a couple different things: receive, send, swap, or buy. Then underneath it is going to show the stake option. We are going to tap on stake. Once we do that, it's going to bring us to this screen right here. This is going to give us all the information that we need for our staking. It's going to show our annual returns, the available Cardano we have to stake, minimum requirement, which is 5 Cardano, the unbound period is 0 because you can unstake it immediately. The reward claiming is manual, meaning you have to manually claim it. It's not just going to auto compound for you. And then the reward schedule. With all that information out of the way, let's tap the stake button at the bottom. Once we do that, again, it's going to bring us to this screen. It's going to show us what the fee is again. It's going to show us the validator, and it's going to show us again the APR when you are done staking. We are going to tap the stake button again. Once we do that, it is going to have us tap our either Tangem Ring or Tangem card at the very top of the phone, like this screenshot here shows. So we are going to do that right now. All right, we got the blue check mark, and now it brought us to the next screen. Transaction was set, and we are officially done. So we can tap the close button right there, and it is showing that we are officially staking our Cardano. Two quick things before we end the video. If we take a look at where it says native staking, we tap on that again. Right below where it says rewards scheduled, you are going to see something called rewards. It's not showing anything here right now, so we can't actually show you how to claim it, but there will be an option over there where you can tap claim rewards. It will have you scan your key or card, and you will then be able to claim your rewards, and it will go right into the staking pot. Next, if you wanted to unstake, you can tap on your stake, and down below you'll see a button that says unstake if you want to unstake for any reason. If you tap that, you will get that pop-up again, similar to how the rewards will show, where it will have you either tap the card or tap the ring. By doing so, you will officially unstake. And if you wanted to go through a different staking pool, or if you wanted to stake through a different device, you would more than be able to, but that's how you would unstake if you want to. With that being said, hopefully you found this video informative, guys. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.